Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Monday, August 18th, 2008. UK recruitment company Michael Page International has rejected a takeover approach worth £1.3 billion from Swiss rival Adecco. According to Thomson Merger News, on June 11th, Adecco had proposed offering 400 pence per Michael Page share in cash, but the offer was rejected. Adecco is the world's largest staffing company. Adecco returned August 12th with a revised proposal looking to buy at least 50.1% of Michael Page at a price that would be consistent with 400 pence per share. Michael Page said the board unanimously concluded that this revised proposal also materially undervalued the company and its prospects, and that the proposed transaction structure was unattractive for shareholders. And staying with capital markets news, private equity firm Blackstone is in talks to team up with rivals Providence and Carlyle to mount a joint bid for Informa plc. Sources familiar with the matter told the Daily Telegraph that the companies have lined up a syndicate of banks led by JP Morgan to provide most of the debt for the deal. A consortium led by Providence, Hellman and Friedman and Carlyle first approached Informa with a 506 pence per share proposal at the beginning of July. However, Informa's shares have often traded below the indicative offer price as the market feared the consortium would fail to raise enough debt to finance the deal. And in more capital markets news, shares in Stata surged as much as 13% on renewed speculation that Germany's third largest generics drug maker could be taken over. Israeli business Daily Globes reported that Teva Pharmaceutical Industries was in talks to buy Stata. Teva declined to comment on the rumors. Stata, which makes copies of AstraZeneca's Prilosec, anti-ulcerant, and Merck's Cozocard drug, declined to comment. And staying with capital markets news, Royal Bank of Canada is adding bulk to its capital markets business in Hong Kong following the lead set by a number of Wall Street and London banks that are putting more emphasis on Asian markets. The Canadian bank has added two former senior executives from failed U.S. investment bank Bear Stearns as part of its planned expansion in emerging markets. John Greenslade, RBC's global head of emerging markets, said, "We are particularly excited about the future prospects for our business in Asia." And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.